Welcome students. I'm Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School and I'm your computer science teacher. In our last class I guided you how to create text box in GIMP application where I showed you how to create different font style, font size, how to give different type of color effect. So in today's session there is one time for action given in your book that I am going to show you practically after reading this question. So the question says, Chris is editing his birthday photograph using GIMP. He wants to add the date August 12, 2019 to his photograph in sans serif font having 25 pixel font size. The color of the text is to be set in blue. Help him complete the task. So Chris is a student who has to enter his birthday date in GIMP application where the pixel size the font size of the pixel is 25 px and he is using sans serif font and the color of the font is set to blue. So all these things, how to do it practically, that I am going to show you in your practical session today. So let's dive into the practical session. Scroll down in an alphabetic order and find GIMP 2.10.20. Open it up. It will take a while to load the page. Still it is taking time to booting up the process. So we have to wait until it loads the file. So there it is. GIMP window is on. So in order to solve this problem, go to file menu, then click on open to open the file that you are going to edit. Select the required image. Let's say last time I downloaded one file under document. Let's see if I find the tux. Okay, so there it is. So consider that it is an image file, which it is, instead of Chris, because I do not have Chris file. So I have to open a picture image. So I selected tux.png and I'm going to open this file. So once it loaded up, you will see that image is on the screen. Now what I have to do, I have to create a text using sans serif font having 25 pixel font size. So where to bring text box? Either you can directly click over here from the tools option, or the formal method is go to tools, then click on text. Once you click on text, the cursor changes. I'm going to click on this section and I'm going to increase the size of the text box. Let me move this one. Okay, so there it is. Again it is coming back. So I have to select sans serif. If you check this section, by default it is showing me as sans serif font. Now the pixel size over here is 40. I have to reduce this size to 25. So I select this font size and I type the font size as 25. Why it's not allowing me? Okay, the number lock is off, so I put it on. So there it is. Once you're okay, click on enter. Now instead of Chris, as this is not a photograph of Chris and this is a photograph of Tux, the mascot, so I'm going to write the word as Tux. So from the keyboard I'm typing this word text. So there it is. Now put it at the center so that it looks good from both the side. Adjust the size. Okay, what else is there? To change the color font, I have to change the color font to blue. As of now the color is selected as black, so change it to blue. So left click on the mouse button and select the whole area of the text. Go over here to change the color of selected text and select the color as blue. So click on this area, take the proper blue color, or let's say I'm taking this color. So you will notice that old color was black and the current selected color is blue now. So I click on OK. I click outside. Let me increase the size. Let me use the zoom tool. Let me take it from here. So I zoomed up. I'm not sure if you are able to view the proper color resolution, but yes, it is blue in color. If I again go to the text and check this out, see that once the text is selected, it is showing as blue color. So I have selected the right color. Let me move a little bit towards the right side. Now it's okay. Now what else we have to do? We have to enter the year as, let's say I'm entering today's date because I'm creating this file. So today's date is 19. So below this area, let me widen the area of the box and I type as 19. Okay, so text size is so much big. Let me reduce it. Okay, let's say it's 19th of July 2020. So I have to adjust the whole text in one area so that it is visible. So still the text size is big. I have to reduce its font size so that I can place it properly. So from left hand side I've adjusted the text. Let's say I choose the color of this text is also blue. So it is showing blue in color. Let me reduce a little bit more. Okay, so now you can find the text color I have changed. I named this picture as Tux and I have also mentioned today's date as a text. So this is the practical way of editing the text file on a picture image. You can reduce the resolution by clicking on zoom tool and press control button to do zoom out. Now let me increase a little bit more so that the picture is visible now. So there it is. So this is how. Now it's okay. So this is how you can edit the text on an image. So in the next session we will deal with how to use eraser tool. So that is it for today. See you tomorrow, student. Goodbye.